Want more sales? You need reviews. Reviews are like gold for your online store. They build trust. Trust means sales. It's that simple. Think about it. When you buy online, you check the reviews, right? Everyone does. We want to know if the product is good. We want to hear from real people. Reviews make your products more attractive. They show that others have bought and liked your products. This is huge for convincing new customers. Don't underestimate the power of reviews. They are your secret weapon to crushing it online. AliExpress is a massive online marketplace. Millions of products, millions of customers, millions of reviews. This is a goldmine for your Shopify store. Why AliExpress? Because many Shopify sellers source their products from AliExpress. This means there are tons of reviews already out there for your products. These reviews are valuable. They are from real customers who have bought and used the product. Why start from scratch when you can leverage these existing reviews? Importing reviews from AliExpress is a smart move. It's a shortcut to building trust and boosting your sales. Let's dive into how to do it. Well, thank you. Section 4 AliExpress. Big numbers, big opportunity. Let's talk numbers. AliExpress is huge. Over 150 million buyers worldwide. Billions of products sold each year. These numbers are staggering. What does this mean for you? It means there's a goldmine of reviews just waiting to be tapped into. No matter what products you sell, chances are you'll find reviews on AliExpress. These reviews are a goldmine for social proof. They add credibility and build trust with your potential customers. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. AliExpress is a global powerhouse. By leveraging their reviews, you can give your Shopify store a serious competitive edge. Section 5. Reviews equal sales. Watch your business grow. Importing AliExpress reviews to your Shopify store is a no-brainer. It's a simple way to boost your social proof and increase sales. Think about it. More reviews mean more trust. More trust means more sales. More sales mean more success for your business. It's a simple equation that leads to big results. Don't wait another minute. Start importing those AliExpress reviews today and watch your business grow. Remember, in the world of e-commerce, reviews are king. Make sure your Shopify store is wearing the crown.